Alright, so check it out. Here's underneath the hood of the AMG GTR. The one thing that's really cool about it is if you take a look at the engine, you got the turbos right back there, and then also if you take a look at that front axle, all the weight from the engine is actually sitting behind this front axle, so it creates a really good weight distribution, kind of like a C7 Corvette 2 with its weight distribution. It's almost like a 50-50. So since the weight distribution is really good, this thing is able to corner really well, and it has amazing Nurburgring times too. So this thing has a Renntech tune on it, and it also has a blow-off valve, so this thing is pushing around 690, which is literally insane numbers for a car this light. Man, this thing is rocking 325s on the back with a Pilot Sport Cup 2, so that's how you know this thing's playing no games. Then check it out with that yellow pinstripe right over here, and then also the yellow stripe in the middle. Then it has a Renntech wing, and as you can see, this is the original wing right over here, and then it's extended out with that bigger upright on that end, and it like really does flip in really well. And then it's also adjustable in the back, and then as you can see, Renntech, and then it has that Renntech diffuser right back here, so this is just incredibly big. And then also, believe it or not, some people don't know this about the AMG GTR, but it has a center exit exhaust over here, and then one there and one right over there. So that's super cool touch. You can actually see like flames and stuff going through them, which is really cool. And then the wheels, in pictures it doesn't look as good if I'm being completely honest, but in person it's so cool with that silver lining around it. And then we got the yellow stripe, yellow side stripe, yellow pinstripe along both the canards and the splitter right over there. So man, this thing's presence is really cool. And then it's a handcrafted engine like all the other Mercedes AMGs, as you can see from right under there, and turbos back there. And then also in the interior right over here, it has that yellow stitching everywhere, the carbon fiber AMG door sills, and then the racing seats, which is really cool. I love race seats. And the yellow seat belts, which is awesome. And man, this thing's awesome, so let's get out on the road with it.
So we'll kick it into Sports Plus.
All right, cool.
There's the blow-up valves.
The blow-up valves sound good.
Quick 100, quick on it. Quick 100, and then there's a cop.
There's a cop right over there. Just don't look, and that's the key to getting out of everything is you don't look.
Dude, I salute the police officers.
Yeah, I salute them too.
Give them one of these.
Yeah. Shout out to the police out there. Shout out to the cool cops especially,
There's
you know.
boys in blue, then there's bros in blue. Like,
yeah, like he said.
we need some homies.
And man, check out that dial right over there. You can flip it into race mode too, and it has all the different modes on here.
Race, they sometimes limit to tracks. I guess not.
Really?
Yeah, no,
very
we
cool.
can hit it in race mode.
Dude, that's awesome. Dude, and that blow-up valve is so sick. It's just
No, my dad
every time you light off.
My dad put it in. My mom's like, "Why is the car hissing?" Like she was so scared.
When his dad put it in. That's hilarious. And man, those crackles sound really good too.
They're deep.
Dang. Man, this is like such a cool interior. I sat in a Lamborghini Huracan Evo, and I'm really surprised because this thing feels so much more race car than the Huracan Evo. And I'm really surprised I'm saying that. That had the racing seats too. But it feels like in this car, you're sitting so low to the ground, and you're looking out at that massive hood in front of you. And you're basically, in this car, you're basically at the back of the car because it's the most of it's in front of you. So it's
a really long hood.
When I was behind him in the Raptor, this thing has so much road presence. Like literally everyone to the left and right of me is like, holy shit, what car is that? With the big Renntech wing and all that stuff. This thing's, yeah, this is legit. These race seats are so sick too. I love these race seats.
This car is like comfortable for a short period of time. Long term, your back's gonna get
seriously.
Yeah, no, my dad will let me drive this for a day or two, and it's just like, dude, my back is worn. But my mom's got the Mercedes C63, the 4-door one, and it like the front two seats have massagers in them.
Yeah. Like those are so much comfortable in this.
Yeah, dude.
This I get what he's saying with this. Like this could get really uncomfortable after a while. It's something definitely to get used to.
Yeah, the suspension's pretty stiff too, especially when you kick it in
the
race.
suspension is pretty.
So there's two suspension options.
Okay,
right,
cool.
you can like kick it into Sports Plus, has a second suspension, like it's stiffer, and then there's one exhaust thing.
And
you
there's
can
your exhaust button over here.
Here's what
An auto start stop, which no one needs to use.
I hate auto start stop. Why did they invent that?
You don't need auto start stop in a race car.
Who did this?
I know. Dude, this thing moves too. Oh, those pops are nice too. Red lights are the best when you're in front.
Facts.
They're definitely the best when you're in front. Oh my god.
Did you feel it lose traction in the beginning?
Yeah, I saw it lose a little bit in the beginning. Man, but this thing, when it loses traction, it stays very composed. It's not like super crazy. That thing, man, it hooked up well too.
Yeah. Those pops.
Man. Holy crap. I like how my brother was standing on the Raptor's truck bed because he could hear us from like a freaking mile away, dude.
You didn't hear him coming.
He was waiting there. Dude, what the heck? I love this thing. Oh my god, those bumps, dude.
Yeah.
Those bumps in the, what was that, race mode right over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's throwing into comfort after that one, dude. And that happens to me too. I'm in my 350 on the track suspension, and you come around a turn, you don't see that, like, even a little bump when you're going fast, when you're going,
You just fly up.
in the hundreds in Mexico, you know, the speed limit there. 100 kilometers, of course, you know. But yeah, you just go flying over those, and you're kind of like, oh shoot, dude. What the heck happened there? Yeah, this thing, once you put it in comfort mode, it's honestly not all that bad for being like a race car. It's literally a race car.
Yeah, no, like Mercedes knows how to make things comfortable.
Oh yeah, for sure. And you can tell that this thing's like this is a German-built car.
Oh, yeah.
That for the Autobahn can like literally cruise at such high speed. You're so low to the ground and it's incredibly planted. It honestly, like, I even imagine, like, behind the wheel right now, you feel so much, you feel like so much driver's confidence too.
Yeah.
A lot of control and driver's confidence.
So lucky and fortunate to be able to like drive cars like this.
Yeah, it's dope. That's that's something that's really like really cool, being able to like experience stuff like this. Even me too, like I'm lucky to be able to sit inside of a car like this. Like, so much percentage of the population can't even experience this.
No, totally.
And I'm excited to say, like, I'm at this age, I'm able to experience like Lambos and all that, you know?
Because money doesn't buy happiness. I think there's more fulfilling things to do. But
yeah, I agree
holy
with that.
shit, this does make me really happy.
Man, so we're back. That was an awesome drive. Huge shout out to Angid.
Angid Singh Chimney on Instagram, and my Snapchat's Curry Warrior.
Curry
the O is
Warrior?
a 0.
Oh yeah. All right, so I'll throw those both up on the screen. Go give him a follow on those socials. This guy's hella cool for letting me ride in his car and stuff. This thing is, man, this thing is so cool when you're sitting in here. Feels like a legitimate race car. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this Renntech Mercedes GTR down below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Virginia beat down, study the street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.